wash plug. And I'm telling you, it works really well. These two together is way cheaper than Twin Air's solution. What's up, and welcome back to M28 Garage, where we're highlighting some tools and products that I tend to use and find kind of along the way, and I want to share it with you. And today is a product which I think is a really cool product. So if you've got a late model KX450X, you know about this thing, this air filter, whatever you want to call it. And so there's definitely some fixes to this, but everybody knows that this isn't going to cut it. And before you buy the Twin Air system, I want to introduce you to what I found and what I've been using for the last month or so that I found really good results from. And it's the REV3D filter cage. So you can, listen, the alternative, and I'll show you what the alternative is, the Twin Air alternative. It's nice, it's cool. You got to take your air box apart. It's metal. I get it, but it costs a ton. This is an affordable option, and I can tell you that it works great, and I've had no trouble with it. Really well made. And then on top of that, they make a great wash plug. And I'm telling you, it works really well. These two together is way cheaper than Twin Air's solution. And like I said, you're getting the same results. So, great thing about it, you can ditch the screen. I do use the Twin Air filter, the dome style. It works great too, by the way. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't know how I feel about this, but you know, it is what it is. As you pop it in, and I'm not affiliated or anything, I'm just an average guy. I'm just shopping around. I think I saw this on Kiefer originally, and I just wanted to do a video to let everybody know, hey, that even I've used it, works. It's easy to use, and it works really well. So it goes back in the same way as the other. And there you go. Really nice solution, really affordable. You're not going to have any filter collapse. I mean, it's just not. It's going to work great. And I've tested the plug and washed it, and even with the seat off and everything, dumping as much water as you want to put in there. And I've had no sealing issues with the wash plug. So I'll put some links in the description. Like I said, I'm not affiliated, but this is a small company. They're making this in America, and I don't know, I love that type of stuff, and I want to support it. But also on top of that, it works, and it's working well for me. So hope this helps you out. Check them out before you buy your Twin Air system. Thanks.